crack.
It's the motherfucking boy Fruit Punch, man. I know the streets been missing me. I've been MIA for a minute, but I'm back. You trick ass motherfucking peanut butter cup ass niggas. You know, still on top like missionary. Still drinking this shit till I pass out like flyers. Smoking cigars like fire. Hey yo, man. It's for that motherfucking nigga Frank Fresh, man. Hey yo, Frank. When I see you again, I'ma fuck you up, nigga. You already know. Chilling by my motherfucking self in an isolated area and shit. Hey yo, but I heard it's another motherfucking rap nigga on the street, Glazed Donut, wanna fight me and shit. Let me tell you something, man. You can't see me like Ray Charles. You know what I'm saying? I fight any nigga, any fucking day. Hey yo. Oh, my fault. Hold on. Somebody fucking calling me and shit. Hello? Oh, my fault. Can't even hear you. I got the shit on the wrong side. Hey yo. What, nigga? Hey yo, tell them niggas where I'm at right now, man. You know where I'm at, right? Tell them niggas to come see me right now, nigga. Fuck it. Alright then. These motherfucking niggas. Barbecue sauce and shit. Talk about they looking for me. Fuck. Nigga, let me tell you, for those of y'all that don't know, I had beef with Barbecue Sauce. They an old rap group that I used to beef with and shit. Last time I saw them niggas was at Club Soy Sauce. Them niggas didn't want it with me though. But whatever, you know what I'm saying? I got a new mixtape dropping next week called Diary of a Broken Condom. That shit gonna be logged on for real. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be fire. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo, but I'm about to dip set. Matter of fact, shout out to my motherfucking nigga Butterscotch. He a New Jersey artist. I just put on and shit. Matter of fact, shout out to all my niggas, you know what I'm saying? My motherfucking nigga Cough Drop, Yogurt, Body Butter, motherfucking Pineapple Pound Cake, and my homie that just came from jail, Flat Tire. I forgot about that nigga. That's my motherfucking nigga. Hey yo. But like I said, man, don't forget about the website, myspace.com/fruitpuncheshead. Still chilling, man. Still smacking babies and sexing ladies, man. But them niggas, man, these niggas talking about, my boy talking about them niggas was 5 minutes away. They was gonna be here. I knew them niggas wasn't even gonna show up, man.